Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable Focus Assist when playing games on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the system tile. And then on the left side underneath System, you want to select where it says Focus Assist. And on the right side underneath Automatic Rules, when I'm duplicating my display, you can go ahead and just toggle that on or off if you want to disable the automatic rules for which you do not want to be disturbed. So if you want to enable Focus Assist, for example, when you are playing your game, you want to go ahead and make sure that's turned on. You can also turn that off. So when you're playing a game, if you do want to receive notifications, you can toggle that off. And if you select that, you can go ahead and just see the same information on this page regardless. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.